Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well and doing safe. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Dipanita. As you guys can see that I'm all decked up. I have shift from the traditional smoky eyes. Like you guys can see that today's look is super easy, and I have added glitters just to make this look simple yet more classy and gorgeous. And I will be creating this glam smoky eyes by using the newly launched Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Smoky Gel Pencil. In case you are a beginner and don't own a lot of makeup products, then trust me, this video is going to change your smoky eye game completely. And I will be doing this smoky eyes in 3 easy steps. Now the reason I'm sharing a smoky eyes, it's because smoky eyes are something that goes with every outfit. So in case you haven't selected your outfit yet, then select your eye makeup, and this is what you're going to do. Okay, so without any more blabbering, let's get started with today's video. Let's go. Okay, let me quickly review the product first, and then we will move on to the eye makeup. I know you guys must be waiting for that, but let me just quickly finish the review. And this is how the product looks like. It's a retractable pencil. You can see how pigmented this pencil is. It provides one-stroke application. You don't have to rub the pencil to get maximum coverage because it has that opaque color payoff. The texture of this product is really smooth and soft, so that's why it glides on very easily. Also, you are getting a mini sharpener at the back to get a sharp point each time. Also, have you guys noticed the mini blender at the back? This product is ophthalmologist tested and it's suitable for contact lens wearers. As you guys can see that I'm wearing contact lenses and it's not itching my lens at all. So here I'm doing a small test to show you guys whether it's waterproof or not, and the results are in front of you. I'm trying to watch the product, but it's still intact. The product claims that it will last up to 36 hours, and to check that I did a small test. Here I'm inserting few pictures which I have taken at certain times throughout the day, and I have to mention that this pencil is super long lasting. Now let's start the eye makeup. So I'm starting off by applying the pencil on my waterline as well as on my lower lash line, but follow one thing, that I'm not applying the product on all over my lower lash line. I'm just applying it on the outer part. After that I will apply it on my eyelid as well. After that I will use that mini blender to smudge out the product. The mini blender is really soft yet stiff, so that's why it's working really well. Remember, while applying the product on your upper eyelids, don't apply too much or don't go above your crease line. Line, blend, set. 3 easy steps for a smoky eye. After smudging it properly, I will be applying a little bit of glitter on the inner eye corners. After that, to complete the whole eye look, I'm using Maybelline Colossal Mascara to give my lashes 2x volume, and I will coat my lashes up very well. So to complete the whole makeup look, I'm using Maybelline Ultimate Lipstick. These lipsticks are super lightweight, it's matte and highly pigmented. These are also new launches from Maybelline. I think I will be using the shade 299 and 599. 299 is a burnt orange shade that I will be using, like I'm just patting it on my lips just to get some color. And after that I will be using the shade 599, which is a beautiful mauve nude shade. And here is my final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me on my social medias. I'm really active on Instagram, so if you wish, you can follow me over there. I would highly recommend this pencil to you guys. It's a must have for all the ladies out there. You too can try this pencil to create glam as well as neutral eye looks, and this pencil is suitable for daily usage. Until next time, bye and take care.